Okay, let's see how we can change the subject of the formula of the following. Now to make x the subject of the formula in ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we can see that we have two x's, this one and that one, and we and the power 2. So the best we can do, we're going to solve that one using completing square method. So we have to complete the square of that x. So we're going to remove the coefficient of that x square, which is a. So we have bx plus c is equal to 0. So here we're going to divide by a, so divide the a, a. So if we cancel here, we're going to remain with the x squared plus bx over a, then plus c over a is equal to 0. And the second step, we're going to move this one a bit to right hand side. There is the x squared plus b over a x is equal to minus c over a. And the next step, we're going to add the half square of coefficient of the middle term, which is b over a in both sides of the equation. Then we need to find half of b over a. So half of b over a, take a matter of the same as multiplication. Take a matter and get a body mass. So this is b over a here. So if you multiply 1 and b, that's b, and 2 and a, that's 2a. So the square of that one, if we square this one, you get about b square over 4a square. So we're going to add this one in both sides of the equation. Here we have x square plus b over a x, then plus b square over 4a square is equal to this one as well. Take b square over 4a square minus c over a is the same thing. If you want negative, so see that one. So next thing we need to do, we're going to factorize this one. So factorize the right hand side, the left hand side. So we're going to have b square over 4a square x square, and the factors of that one which can give us this and the b over 2a, b over 2a. For what? Take a time b over 2a. Take a time is you get about b square, and take a time is you get about 4a square. So instead of writing b over a, since if we add b over 2a plus b over 2a, common denominator, that's 2a. 2a into 2a, that's 1 times b, that's b. The same applies here, that's 1 times b, it's b. So here you have a 2b over 2a. So after cancelling my 2's, we are going to remain with the b over a, which is the middle term here. So instead of writing b over ax, we are going to write b over 2ax. So we have x square plus bx over 2a, then plus here bx over 2a, then plus b square over 4a square. At the same time here, we can make this one as a single fraction. Common denominator, that's 4a square. So 4a square into 4a square, that's 1 times b square. Answer was a b square minus a into 4a square, well, meaning with the 4a, and 4a times c, the answer is 4ac. So here I can just drop down that one, b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. And the next thing we needed to do, we're going to group the terms. So I'm grouping this. So first factor in the first bracket, that's the x. So if I take out x here, I will remain with x plus here I will remain with b over 2a then you plus this one, you see this one, and a common factor in the second bracket, that's a b over 2a, and if that one enters here, I will remain with x, and b into b square, that's b, 2a into 4a square, that's 2a, and here I have b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. And the factors will make one bracket, which is x plus b over 2a, and this bracket is the same as that bracket, so I can just take one bracket, which is x plus b over 2a. Then here I have b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Now we can say what the bracket needs, so I can just square the bracket, which is x plus b over 2a here, then square is equal to b square minus 4ac over 4a square. So to find x, I can just introduce the square root to both sides. So I've introduced the square root both sides. So after this one cancelling that one, I'll remain with the x plus b over 2a is equal to here. For example, that one, decline the root 16 over 4. 4 into 16, that's 4, and the square root of 4, that's 2. And the same thing here can be written as root 16 divided by root 4. So root 16, that's 4, and root 4, that's 2. So if you divide that one, still answer will be 2. So here I can write it as square root of the numerator, that's a positive or minus b square minus 4ac, and the square root of 4a square, that's 2a square. That's 2a, yeah. Square root of 4, that's 2, and the square root of a square, that's a. And the next thing we need to do, since you are making x the subject formula, we're going to move this one to that side. So remain with x is equal to minus b over 2a, then plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, then divided by 2a. And you can see that we have common brackets, so we can just combine the common denominators, so we can just combine the denominators. So I have x is equal to minus b plus or minus side of b square minus 4ac, then divided by 2a. So this is the quadratic formula. Pass, we are done. So if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if there's any question, any subject, any topic, that's my number, 882-435-562. So this is how we drive the quadratic formula. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best.